Get a square sheet of paper. Fold in half sideways. Then, fold upwards. Then unfold. Fold the two edges to the center crease, making a triangle. Rotate 90 degrees. Fold the top point onto the center crease. Then unfold. Flip the model over. Fold the bottom point to the middle of the diagonal crease. Now fold the flap on the far end downwards. Like so. Next, fold the bottom flap upwards, like so. Fold the left point downwards, then tuck it inwards. This is the beak. Now, tuck the back edges inward. La-dee-da-dee-da. Next, tuck the front inwards to make the model look like something. Yeah. Finally, curve the wings downward a little bit. Draw the eyes. Chirp chirp.
Tweet tweet. Chirple chirp. Tweet tweet tweet.